Pregnancy is a time of amazing changes in your body, and your gut is no exception. From the moment that little plus sign appears on your pregnancy test, your digestive system begins a 9-month adventure of its own. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Fatima, a clinical pharmacologist and an expert coach in pregnancy and parenting. Welcome to our channel 9 Mantras, and thanks for being part of our mission to educate million moms and moms to be. In this video, we will explore how your gut changes during pregnancy, common digestive issues you might face, the crucial role of gut health for you and your baby, practical tips to keep your gut happy while growing a tiny human. First, let's start with basics. The gut microbiome is a key player in your overall health. It helps with digestion, boosts your immune system, and even influences your mood. Recent research suggests that it may also play a crucial role in your baby's development. During pregnancy, due to hormonal changes, physical pressure from your growing uterus, and the demands of supporting a developing fetus contribute to the shifts in your gut microbiome. Pregnancy hormones, particularly progesterone and estrogens, skyrocket during pregnancy. While they are crucial for supporting your growing baby, they also affect your gut. Progesterone, often called as pregnancy hormone, it relaxes smooth muscles throughout your body. Great for preventing premature labor, but not so great for your digestive tract. This relaxation slows down digestion, which can lead to constipation and heartburn. Estrogen also increases dramatically, which can affect the composition of your gut microbiome. As your baby grows, your uterus expands and pushes against your intestines. This can slow down digestion, and even further, it can cause feeling of fullness or bloating. It can further lead to constipation as the physical pressure affects bowel movements. Now let's understand common gut issues during pregnancy. Morning sickness. Despite its name, it can strike at any time of the day. It affects up to 80% of pregnant women, and it's most common in the first trimester. It's due to the rise in the hormonal levels, particularly HCG. This can disrupt your eating pattern and hydration and further affecting your gut microbiome. To overcome this, eat in small, frequent ways. Stay hydrated. Consider drinking ginger tea, and you can as well take medications on prescription of your doctor. Constipation is a common complaint affecting 40% of pregnant women, which is due to slow digestion, hormones, pressure from the uterus, and sometimes from the iron supplements. This can lead to discomfort, hemorrhoids, and disrupted gut microbiome. Increase your fiber intake, stay hydrated, keep yourself active. Heartburn and acid reflux often starts in the second trimester and can worsen as the pregnancy progresses. To manage this, eat in small quantities, avoid food that triggers, and don't lay down immediately after eating. Bloating and gas issues are completely normal, which is due to slow digestion and hormonal changes. So, to overcome these issues, eat slowly, avoid gas producing foods, and stay active. Remember, every pregnancy is unique. You might experience all, some, or none of these issues. Always consult your doctor about your concerns. You must be wondering why gut health is so important. Let's get into it. A healthy gut is essential for proper nutrient absorption. During pregnancy, your body's nutrient needs increases dramatically. Your gut helps ensure you get that. You're getting vitamins and minerals you need to stay healthy. Your baby also receives the nutrients which are crucial for their development. Emerging research suggests that a balanced gut microbiome may help in preventing certain pregnancy complications. Some studies indicate that certain gut bacteria are associated with a lower risk of gestational diabetes and preeclampsia. Your gut health doesn't just affect you, it's setting a foundation for your baby's health too. The maternal microbiome is a key factor in development of the baby's immune system. Do you know babies born vaginally are exposed to beneficial bacteria as they pass through the birth canal? This contributes to their initial gut colonization. Interestingly, a healthy gut may help in reduce the risk of prenatal and postpartum depression. It also helps in managing stress and anxiety during pregnancy. A balanced gut microbiome can help you with healthy weight gain during pregnancy, and your gut health during pregnancy can influence your breast milk composition. Beneficial gut bacteria can transfer to your breast milk, supporting your baby's developing microbiome. Fascinating research suggests that your gut health during pregnancy may have a long lasting effect on your baby. It may influence your child's risk of allergies, asthma, and even obesity later in life. Not only this plays a crucial role in baby's brain development. Remember, maintaining a good gut health isn't about achieving perfection. It's about supporting your body's natural processes. Let's talk on how to keep your gut bacteria happy and healthy. Your diet is the foundation, and diversity is the key. Aim to eat a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins. Each type of food feeds different beneficial bacteria. Try to eat different plant foods each week. Don't miss probiotics like curd, yogurt. These foods introduce beneficial bacteria to your gut and also include prebiotics which feed the good gut bacteria. Water helps in maintaining the mucosal lining of the intestine. It also helps in preventing constipation. Gentle exercise promotes gut motility. Aim for 30 minutes of exercise if in case your doctor approves it. High stress can negatively impact gut health. Try prenatal yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Prioritize your sleep. Aim for getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Good sleep supports your overall health, including your gut health. Limit processed food and artificial sweeteners. Avoid alcohol and smoking. This can disrupt your gut microbiome. Be cautious with antibiotics. Use them only when they are necessary and prescribed by your doctor. Here are 5 takeaways for your gut health. Your gut undergoes a significant change during pregnancy. Common digestive issues are normal but manageable. A healthy gut is crucial for both maternal and fetal health. Diet, lifestyle, and stress management play a crucial role in gut health. Postpartum gut health is just as important as prenatal gut health. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advices. Remember, your support helps us create more content like this. See you in my next video. Till then, stay healthy and take care.